Yeah, thanks, David. This has been an amazing conference. We've had over 850 Slack membership people all interacting simultaneously. 815 registrations handled by the Loudswarm platform. Over 473 attendees accepted those registrations and participated live with us during the event. We had over 321 simultaneous streams going throughout the course of the event. 33 volunteers across 5 continents of people participating in the production of this event, and it's all been powered by Django, which is one of the best parts.
So in terms of content, we have 106 missions, 83 submitters, 2 days, keynotes, 22 talks, and 2 bonus talks. Thank you very much.
Alvin. And happy birthday. Got up at 2 a.m. on his birthday to be at DjangoCon Europe. So I hope you have a wonderful birthday and a lot of applause coming from Slack. I hope so.
Thank you all. Thank you so much. It's been a ton of fun.
So in the bronze sponsors, we have Beamian, Axsoft, JetBrains, Making Media, and Passive House. Silver sponsor, we have Ambient Innovation. Now for the gold sponsors, we have Vonage, who got an awesome interaction at Slack, and 6 Feet Up, who is the team behind Loudswarm. Loudswarm itself was the platform used during the event. I think everyone loved it, at least from the feedback we got. Next, we got Blackfire.io, who did an amazing workshops during the conference. I hope you enjoyed them. And at last, as a diamond sponsor, we have Zigo, who got an amazing cool ads. I hope you also enjoyed it. And now for the institutional partners, we have the Porto City Hall, the Department of Computer Science from the University of Porto, our official carrier, this is TAP Air Portugal, who unfortunately could not help us this year, but will hopefully help us next year. In terms of grants, we have to thank the Django Software Foundation, the EuroPython Society, and the Python Software Foundation, and as media partner, Vida Imobiliaria.
So now, speaking about steps ahead, this year was virtually from Porto. We hope next year it will be live from Porto. Here are the dates, June 2 to 6. Most of the work that we have done this year was we were thinking about a live conference, a presential conference, and some of the efforts weren't needed for a virtual one. We will use it next year No work will go to waste. No sponsorship will go to waste. No money that we receive for grants will go to waste. We will apply it all next year with better knowledge than we got this year. This has been a year of learning new lessons, new ideas, and we hope to give you a better conference next year. Thank you all.
Tirar you live.